be right back. Stay with us.
What is it?
I think everyone I knew growing up had a lazy boy recliner.
Eric.
So it's funny.
Stuck?
My family's favorite place to eat is made by Lazy
Is
Boy.
it stuck?
No.
Lazy Boy furniture covers. Comfortably.
There's only one furniture sale that matters. The Lazy Boy Memorial Day sale. Look for red, white, and blue tags and save up to 25% store-wide. Plus
It's
30%
stuck.
special
I don't think it
financing.
is.
Lazy Boy Furniture
Why don't you think it is?
I think it hit the window and
Having trouble with your AC system?
Doesn't
Don't
know what
waste
to
time
do.
searching for a contractor. For a limited time, George Brazil will give you a free service call. No trip charge, no diagnostic charge, no strings attached. And if you need to replace
hit
your
the
old
window
AC
pretty
system,
hard.
we have high-efficiency York systems starting at just $39 a month. York is the premier brand for quality AC systems. Let us diagnose your AC problem.
No, let
Absolutely
Birdie
free.
recover.
Call George Brazil today and ask for